Hi children, welcome to 9th tutorial of linear equations in one variable. In this tutorial we will discuss some applications of linear equation. We have two more problems in exercise. After completion of these problems we can move to applications of linear equations. Now question number 9 in exercise. Solve 5 into p minus 3 is equal to 3 into p minus 2. Given equation is 5 into p minus 3 is equal to 3 into p minus 2. By expanding this equation, we have 5p minus 15 is equal to 3p minus 6. So sending variables to one side and constants to other side, we get 5p minus 3p is equal to minus 6 plus 15. This implies we have 2p is equal to 9. And p is equal to 9 by 2. So the value of p is equal to 9 by 2. You can check in the above equation. You substitute the value of p in LHS and RHS, you get the same values. So our solution is correct. Go to next question, 10th question. Solve 5 into z plus 3 is equal to 4 into 2z plus 1. What is the given equation? Given equation is 5 into z plus 3 is equal to 4 into 2z plus 1. So by expanding these equations, we get 5z plus 15 is equal to 4 into 2, that means 8z plus 4. So sending variables to one side and constants to other side, we get 15 minus 4 is equal to 8z minus 5z. This implies 3z is equal to 11. So z is equal to 11 by 3. So this is the value of z here. You can check by substitution the value in the given equation. So go to next question, that is question number 11. Solve 15 into x minus 1 plus 14 into x plus 3 is equal to 2 into 7 plus x. So this is the equation. So given equation is 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 2 into 7 plus x. By expanding this, 15x minus 15 is equal to 4x plus 12 is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14 plus 2x. So 15x minus 15 plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 14 plus 2x. So by simplifying, we get 15x plus 4x, that is equal to 19x, minus 15 plus 12, that is equal to minus 3. On the right side, 14 plus 2x. Sending variables to one side and constants to other side, you get 19x minus 2x is equal to 14 plus 3. So 17x is equal to 17. We get x is equal to 17 by 7, 17, that is 1. So go to next question. Solve 3 into 5z minus 7 plus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 7 minus 111. So this is the given question. So by expanding this equation, we get 3 into 5, that is 15z, minus 3 into 7, minus 21, 2 into 9, that is 18z, minus 2 into 11, that is 22. On the right side, 4 into 8, 32z, minus 4 into 7, 28, minus 111. By simplifying 15z plus 18z, we have 15z and 18z, that is 33z, minus 21 and minus 22, we have minus 43. On the right side, 32z minus 28 and minus 11 is minus 111 is equal to minus 139. By sending these on the same side, we have 33z minus 32z is equal to minus 139 plus 43. So by subtracting this, 33 minus 32 is 1z is equal to minus 96. So here the value of z is equal to minus 96. You can check by substitute the value in the given equation. So our solution is correct. Now some more applications of linear equations. So in the example 13, we have a figure two lines, parallel lines, and one transversal line here. So in the figure, L is parallel to M and P is a transversal. Find the value of X. So here they give 5x and here 2x plus 24. So the line L and M, this is the P transversal line. So we know some principles about parallel lines. Since given L is parallel to M and P is a transversal, so then we angle EFB angle EFB is equal to 5x and FGD that is 2x plus 24. So these two are corresponding angles, EFB and FGD. These two are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. So 5x is equal to 2x plus 24. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 24. So 3x is equal to 24 and x is equal to 24 by 3. We got 8 degrees. The value of x is 8 degrees. So here next example 14. Hema is 24 years older than her daughter Damini. 6 years ago, Hema was thrice as old as Damini. Find their present ages. Now we have to find the value of present ages of Hema and Damini. Let the present age of Damini is x years. Then we have the table. Present age of Damini is x and Hema is x plus 24. 6 years ago, Damini is x minus 6 and Hema is x plus 24 minus 6, that is x plus 24 minus 6, that is x plus 18. So before 6 years, that means 6 years ago, Damini is x minus 6 years and Hema is x plus 18 years. But it is given that 6 years ago, Hema's age is thrice the age of Damini's. So we say that x plus 18 is equal to 3 into x minus 6. X plus 18 is equal to 3 into x minus 6. By simplification, x plus 18 is equal to 3x minus 18. By sending variables to same side, we have x minus 3x is equal to minus 18 minus 18. So minus 2x is equal to minus 36 and x is equal to, so we say that 2x is equal to 36, x is equal to 36 by 2, that is 18. So the value of x is 18. That means present age of Damini is 18 years and her mother age is 18 plus 24, that is 42 years. So these are the ages of Damini and her mother Hema. So Hema is 24 years older than her daughter. So you observe that the difference between these two is 24. And thrice 6 years ago, you subtract 6 from 18, you get 12, and 6 from 18, that is 36. So 12 into 3, you get 36. So the values satisfy the question. So our solution is correct. Go to next question, example 15. In a 2-digit number, the sum of the 2 digits is 8. We have a 2-digit number. The sum of the two digits is 8. If 18 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. If you add 18 to that number, the digits are reversed. Find the number. So this is a beautiful question. So let us see. We have 2-digit number, 2 digits, 1's place and 10's place. Let's 1's place number be x. Then 10's place number is 8 minus x, because the difference of 2 digits is 8. So 1's place number be x and 10's place number be 8 minus x. So the number is 10 into 8 minus x plus x, because this is 1's place number, this is 1's place x and this is 10's place, 10 into 8 minus x. By simplification you get 10 into 8 80 and 10 into x minus 10x plus x. So 80 minus 9x. So the number is 80 minus 9x. So now the number obtained by reversing the digits. Reversing the digits means 10 into x. So because units place number is x, you reverse that 10 into x plus 8 minus x, because units place is 8 minus x. You reverse tens place to units place and units place to tens place. Then you get x in tens place, that is 10x, and 8 minus x is 1 units place, that is 8 minus x. So by simplification you get 10x plus 8 minus x, that is 9x plus 8. 9x plus 8 by reversing this number. Also it is given that if you add 18 to the number, it will be reversed. So number plus 18 is equal to number obtained by reversing the digits. What is number? Number is 80 minus x, 80 minus 9x. So 80 minus 9x plus 18 is equal to 9x plus 8. By simplification we get 80 minus 9x, 80 plus 18 is equal to 98 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 8. So send variables to one side and constants to other side. You get 90 is equal to 18x. 90 is equal to 18x, because 98 minus 8 is equal to 90. 9x plus 9x is equal to 18x. So 90 is equal to 18x. This implies x is equal to 90 by 18, that is equal to 5. So number is equal to 80 minus 9 into 5, that is 80 minus 45 is equal to 35. So this is the number. If you add these two digits, 3 plus 5, 8, because this is 8. And if you add 18 to this number, 35 plus 18, 35 plus 10, 45, 45 plus 18, 8 is 53. So 53, you reverse the number. So 5, 3, you get 53. Okay. So our solution is correct. Go to next question. Example 16. A motorboat goes downstream in a river and covers the distance between two coastal towns in 5 hours. It covers this distance upstream in 6 hours. If the speed of the stream is 2 kilometers per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water. So we have to find the speed of the boat in still water. Because the stream is going, then if the boat is going along the stream, the speed increases. If the boat moves opposite the stream, the speed decreases. You remember these points. The still water has some speed. Generally the water moves with some speed. Let the speed of the boat in still water be x kilometers per hour. Then the speed of the boat in downstream means you have to add the speed still water. So x plus 2 kilometers per hour. Distance covered in 1 hour is equal to x plus 2 kilometers, and distance covered in 5 hours is equal to 5 into x plus 2, that is equal to 5x plus 10 kilometers. In 5 hours the boat covers in downstream 5x plus 10 kilometers. And speed of the boat in upstream is, you have to subtract x minus 2 kilometers per hour, and distance covered in 1 hour is x minus 2. Here you have to subtract 1 hour x minus 2. 6 hours, it takes 6 hours time. In 6 hours, 6 into x minus 2, that is equal to 6x minus 12. So distance between A and B, the two coastal towns are A and B. So distance between A and B is 6 into x minus 2. Now we have, but the distance between A and B is fixed. So both are equal. From A and B and B and A both are equal. So 5x plus 10 is equal to 6x minus 12. So comparing, sending the variables to one side and the constants to other side, 5x minus 6x is equal to minus 12 minus 10. That is minus x is equal to minus 22 and x is equal to 22. So speed of the boat in still water is 22 kilometers per hour. Children, note these questions in your notebook and practice these questions once again. Thank you.